Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y61, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings. Now you need to choose More Connections under Super Device and tap on Printing. From here, choose Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. In order to disable print service completely, tap on this blue switcher. You can enable it by tapping on the same, now gray one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!